Namaste everyone, this is Kaushik Kattamuri, admin of this YouTube channel. So this video is all about my book that I published, that is 100 Bizarre Problems of Mathematics. So this video is all about to give you enough insights about this book and why you actually need to buy this book and what's the speciality and the difference and the uniqueness that I've added to this book compared to the other books. So thing is, first of all, this is a problem solving book. That means there are 100 problems totally in this book, and then for each and every problem there's enough encrypted solution provided. Fine, so there's no question that's left incomplete. So for each and every question a solution is provided. And let me come to the properties first. It's 194 pages. The book is of 194 pages. And this costs 350 rupees including delivery charges in Amazon and Flipkart, and it just costs 300 when you actually purchase from the publisher's website, that is Manda Publishers. The links and all of the stuff will be given in the description, so you can just check out there. Fine. And coming to the book, fine. So what's so speciality in this book? So 100 questions have been divided into 20 sections, and each section is further divided into easy, moderate and tough. Fine. So the very first two questions of each section will be easy, and the other two questions will be medium, and the last question will be tough. So in total there are 20 tough questions. Fine. And the other 80 questions are again subdivided into 40 and 40. So 40 easy questions and 40 medium level questions. So easy questions in the sense doesn't mean that you can just do it in a simple line or something, one line formula or something like that. No, it doesn't mean that. So in general, on an average basis, so it takes 1 hour at least to solve this five questions. Fine. So there are totally 20 sections, each section of 5 questions. So it takes an average of 1 hour to solve these 5 questions. Fine. So if that's the case, and if you actually put 1 hour, invest 1 hour of your time daily, so you can complete this book in 20 days. Fine. So this is how, on basis of an average estimate, it differs from one person to another. And coming to the second important point, what's so different? Fine. What's the uniqueness that I've added into this? Third point is about the stuff. Second point is about the uniqueness. Generally, we don't find the book being the like the communicator or speaking to the reader. Fine. But in this case, this book actually speaks to the student. That doesn't mean it has some mouth and it will be speaking. No. It means that there's a general connection. Okay, fine. So I'll just give you the overview after highlighting the points. I'll be taking the soft copy and I'll be explaining it on the later parts. So I hope you'll be watching this video completely so that you get a better understanding. And yeah, so the book actually talks to the reader. So how much time does he or she need to spare to solve this book in each and every section, and what are the topics that are there? And generally, what do you say is, it's not like the formula that's given, the logic that's given. No, the reason behind that logic, the reason behind that formula. There are hundreds of formulas. Fine. No, not hundreds. There are lakhs of formulas. Fine. There are lakhs of formulas. So why do you need to use only this specific formula? Why do you need to use only this specific theorem? Why do you need to use this specific logic? So that's how the communication is. It's like the teacher is talking to you. In the same way, this book actually talks to you. So it tells you why this needs to be applied here, why this need not be applied here. So these are all the things that makes you enrich your math skills. Fine. That makes you implant your love towards math. So it's not like I give you some logic and I tell you just apply this, you'll be getting the answer for this, you'll be ending up with the correct answer, you'll be reaching your destination. No, that's not right. Fine. I must also tell you why this logic, why this need to be applied. And so that I made sure that I've done this into this book for all the 100 problems. And the very first half of the book, like from the first problem to the 50th problem, that book seems to be doable. Like, it doesn't need that same. Just keep this point in your mind. It's not a one-line answer or something. It takes time. It takes an average of 1 hour to solve the 5 questions of every section. So, but compared to the second half, the first half of the book is somewhat easier. But coming to the second half, you'll be finding a lot of concepts, a lot of different theorems. So I'll be highlighting them. I'll be telling you with the help of the soft copy. I'll be showing you a sample of 2 or 3 problems. You can just have a look. Fine. So the way I've framed the questions, so the way I've added uniqueness to each and every question, so that it actually tries to make sure you think in all different ways. Fine. You think in all different ways. And it's strongly advisable to not to see the solution before solving any question. So I made sure you people don't see it, because there are a lot of statements. Fine. So whenever you go to a solution to see it, you people will be like, no, I shouldn't see the solution. I must solve the question first. So you'll be getting the thought instantly. There's no doubt about it.
So this is a sample 100 Wizard Problems of Mathematics, Kaushik Kattamuri, mandapublishers.com, and this is about copyrights and all the stuff. And the price $2.99, and you can just go to this website and you can even buy it if you don't want to put extra money in the form of delivery charges and all the stuff. And this is about the author, so myself. And come to this one, this is I just dedicated this book to my grandfather, so in memory of him I have written this. And then this is forward, written by Mr. Gollappa Naidu sir. He is HOD of Mathematics, Narayana College, Visakhapatnam branch, Andhra Pradesh. Fine. So he himself wrote this forward. So, and then coming to preface, the way this book have been designed and the structure. So this is all about that I've already explained it. And these are some acknowledgements, thanks for my parents and my grandmother and all the stuff, and my teachers and my uncle and my friends. So all of those stuff in this acknowledgement. And then this is the very first page of the content, like hello. So this is how your book talks to you. Okay, fine. So this is how you started. And then when you go to the very first question, so this is you find this, you can even see how the question have been framed, and then the why one method is being used, why the other is not being used. Fine. So what are the different ways to tackle this? So all this you can just go on, you can just see them. Fine. So as you can see, this question is a model of double sigma question, but we shall not be using any conventional method to solve this question. Rather, we should use a smart logic to tackle this. So the way we need to tackle this is being given. So this is how it goes on. So the very first half doesn't have that many of combination type questions, but when you go on to the other part, like the second part, you'll be finding a lot. After the first five set, so this is how the ending will be. So this ends up the first set of 5 questions. I hope you enjoyed solving these problems and learned some stuff. I recommend you to start solving the next set of 5 questions at least after 24 hours. So this is all for today. Have a good day, champ. So this is how a book tries to connect with you, and it makes sure you are so active with it, rather than just being learning some stuff and then maybe you just forget it later. But this is our interactive sessions. Fine. This is how the interaction goes on, and this is for the second part. So now I shall show you one of the medium question. So in a circle of radius 4.5 cm, take triangle KLM is inscribed such that angular bisects of KLM meet the circle at PQR respectively. If this is so, and find the maximum value of a determinant of a power 1 by 2 order whose elements are 0 and 1. Fine. So this is the combination question. Fine. That's what I've been saying earlier. The output will be needed to solve the second question. Fine. This is how I designed. So this is one of the medium level questions. I'm not going to show the solution. Fine. We shall go to the hard level question now. This is the hard level question, one of the hard level questions. So this is not a combination type question, but this is rather than this is probability type question. Fine. Probability. So the concepts that I've used, standardization of simplified terms are known as reduction. So all this stuff have been given. I'm not going to proceed further. This is the last question, last sample that I'm going to show. So you can just go through the question, the way it has been structured, the way that the solution has been structured, so that people understand why shouldn't we just go in some rather normal way or conventional way. Rather, we should follow a perfect design way. So, and what are the what are the concepts that we are using in it, and also standardization and all this stuff. So each and every point have been explained clearly, and at no point of time you will be feeling like this is incomplete solution or something. Everything has been written perfectly so that readers will understand it. So this is all of the sample.
So this is all about it. And the very third point is the questions. Fine, the questions and the solutions. So there are a lot of stuff on math, like integral calculus, differential calculus, coordinate geometry, vectors and 3D, trigonometry and algebra. Fine. So I tried my level best to cover all the topics. Fine, all the 6 topics. And some of the questions are 40 to 50% of the questions are combination type questions. So people who thoroughly watch my videos actually know this. What are combination type videos? That means I combine 2 different questions and make into one single question. And that question has no link with this. That means the concept, fine. The concept of the very first question doesn't have any link with the concept of the second question. It's just the outputs, fine. The output of the first question will be will be needed to solve the second question. So this is how I frame. And I made sure like there are very little mistakes. I myself found like once I went through the book after the printing, I rarely found any mistake. But I'm not not very sure, like printing mistakes of alphabet or words or something, it's quite common. So if you come across those, so please forgive me for this time, because this is the first time, this is the very first book that I have launched. And second thing is, as per the concepts, there is no doubt about it. Each and every concept, each and every solution, each and every problem is well framed and within the laws of the mathematics. Fine. Nothing is like I have created, no law has been created by me. Fine. So this is all like enjoying math. This is all about enjoying solving math and getting enough stuff, enough solutions if you are not able to reach the journey. Fine. This is all about it. So I made sure I do that. And last and final, I think the very most important thing. So totally this book costs 350 rupees in Amazon and Flipkart, and 300 from the Manda Publishers website. So I've invested X amount of rupees into this, fine, because publishing cost. Being an author, it's mandatory to invest some amount into publishing, fine. So I've invested X amount into this. So once I get 80% of the X, fine, 80% of my investment, all the amount that I'm gonna get from this will be donated to farmers welfare organizations, fine. So all the other amount. So after 80% of my investment, after I get 80% of my investment, all the other stuff. So all the other money and the profits that I'm getting, I'll be donating that to the farmers welfare organizations. So the thing why am I doing is this, it doesn't impact a lot, let's be honest on this. It doesn't change someone's life or something, but I will be a means of somewhat like minute help, fine. So farmers are the gods of our society according to me. So they are the gods of the society. So according to me, a small contribution to them makes it well versed in our life, fine. So that's all my aim is. And people who are actually buying this book, so they are doing something great in return of buying something great, fine. So this book, you people will definitely enjoy it, solving this book, there's no doubt about it. You can even check the reviews right now in Amazon. People like I haven't released it yet officially, only my close friends and other students of mine have bought this and they thoroughly enjoyed it. They just loved it because the stuff that I've given in here is completely unique, fine, is completely unique. So you people will see that, like would have already seen that in the soft copy preview. So you can actually check out once again if you are not so sure about it. Why am I stressing to buy this book is, you people will enjoy it basically, fine. It's like an entertainment. Solving math is like entertainment and learning math is subject, fine. So that is what I feel. So math geeks sitting out there, so it's a wonderful opportunity for you people to have a look at and try these problems. So this is all for today. So I don't want to make this video too lengthy. I just want to make sure that many of you see this and then understand the insights of the book and then proceed whether to buy or not. And the last thing that I wanted to say and end up this video is do share about this to your friends and relatives and family members who are so interested in solving math, or who are into math stuff, like who always check out math stuff. Fine, they'll definitely love it, it's my promise, no matter what. So they'll definitely enjoy solving it. So sharing to them will also lead me to do some better things and to launch a new book, the second edition or the third edition, once again. Fine, like in the further years. So it makes me do it. So I would like to, I request you people to please share about this video, share about this book to all your relatives and friends and everyone. Fine. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video.